Hi, I'm Michael Murray and welcome to W4 of 780 Bourke Street, Redfern. Set in the highly sought after Moore Park Gardens complex, this warehouse style apartment with 3.6 metre ceilings has been transformed with a high-end renovation, creating the perfect luxurious vibe. It's set just footsteps away to popular eateries on Danks Street and Crown Street, and a short walk to the light rail with easy access to the Sydney CBD. Let's have a look through it.